Hello everybody, today in front of us we have this Realme Narzo 50 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show the top 3 apps for this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first app is called WTMP, and that's basically short for Who Touched My Phone, and this app allows you to imperceptibly take the photos from the selfie camera each time your phone is being unlocked or the unlock attempt is unsuccessful even. So let's go ahead and launch it for the first time. Here we are greeted with some basic explanation, instructions and descriptions on how this app should be used and how this app works in general. So once we have actually got into the interface of this app, in order to activate it, we just want to tap on this gray power button. Next we'll grant it the camera access. The unlimited background usage, aka battery optimization step, can be skipped, but it is also mandatory to give it the app usage access as well. So find it in the list, turn on this permit usage access switch, and if we'll get back to the app, we'll see that it has been successfully activated, which is being indicated by the fact that this power button turned green, and we also have these 2 white lines as well. Now let's pretend that we are somebody who is trying to gain the unauthorized access to our phone, but we have some screen lock set like pattern or any other PIN, password, whatever. So he's trying to pickpocket it, guess it basically, but he does not succeed. But actually I've accidentally unlocked it, so once the device is unlocked successfully, it also creates a journal entry which will contain the photo from the selfie camera, as you can see. But let's pretend that it did not happen. So he's trying to unlock the phone, he does not succeed, and once we actually unlock the phone, we'll get back to the app. But yeah, the app did not create the entry for the no unlock phone still. But trust me, once you have any pattern, any screen lock set, and if those screen lock will not be bypassed, it will take the photo anyway, so no worries on that end. So basically it just allows you to monitor whatever somebody tried to touch your phone, try to gain some unauthorized access to it, or try to randomly pick the pattern, PIN or password that is set as your unlock method. Next app is a very well-known PicsArt. It's the app for editing, retouching and doing all kinds of things with pictures and photos. Let me just take a screenshot so I'll have some example photo already. Here you can skip all the ads, all the try our premium stuff, and once you've gotten to the actual interface of this app, choose the photo that you would like to work with. As I said, I'll use the screenshot that I've just took. Close another ad, and here right on the bottom part of your display you have all the available tools that this app has to offer. Only this one tools tab contains this many tools, so there are some effects that you can apply, retouching options that you can also play with. You can remove the background, apply some sticker, for example, I'll apply this one, put it right here, cut out some image parts, replay, apply some text, add some other photo to it, fit this photo into, well, some background, some another background, and what's not. If we were to show you every single feature, tool and option this app has to offer, this video duration would be no less than 10 hours, so we highly recommend that you try downloading and playing with this application yourself. It's probably one of the best apps for, or if not the best app for editing the photos, pictures or whatever. I'll not save. So that was it, pretty much it. A quick and small review for the PicsArt. And the final app that we were to show to you today is called Caffeine. And then prior of actually demonstrating what this app is capable of, I'll go to the settings, display and brightness category, and here if we'll open the auto screen off option, we'll see that the maximum value that we can set is 30 minutes. And what should we do if we want it to be never infinite or like 1 hour? So basically Caffeine deals with this issue. Once you download the app, pretty much the only section that you need is timeout. Here just choose what value you want to go with. So in my case it is set to infinite, and that effectively means that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, our screen will not turn off automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in idle status, unless the device will run out of battery, of course. So that was it, not only for the caffeine app, but pretty much for this video in general. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.